Hello friends, wherever you are watching me from, I want to quickly show you how you can monetize your YouTube account. You know, monetization is the expectation of every YouTuber channel, and the requirement is to have minimum of 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 watch hours. Into that level, the next thing you want to do is to set up your monetization. A mail will be sent to you to show that you have gotten to that level. And you know, if you have gotten to that level, this is exactly how your dashboard will look like. You see down here, you see everything is showing. It's tick green. It shows that you are qualified for monetization. So what you will need to do now is to come up here and finish the monetization process. You can see apply to YouTube partner program. All you need to do is to click here and click apply. So if you have done that, you can see the channel monetization step 1, review base time. This is where you review the base time. You come here and click start. When you click start, you need to read all the terms and conditions and understand them. You scroll down here and check this box, I accept base time. When you accept base time, the next thing you want to do is to click accept terms. When you accept terms, you will wait until that is completed. So as you can see, step 1 done. So the next thing you want to do now is to go to the second step. You want to sign up for Google AdSense. This is exactly where the money will be paid, where you set up your account. So you click start. So as you can see here, say you will be directed to AdSense to complete step 2. Do you have an existing AdSense account? If you have, you can actually click yes, you will link it. But if you don't have, you just say I don't have. Right now I don't have an existing AdSense account, so I click I don't have. Then you continue. After that, you continue. Now when you click continue, you will be redirected to Google AdSense, where you can fill in your account details. So for you to choose an account, you just need to sign in with your Gmail account. So I'll just sign in with my Gmail account. So as you can see, he has already copied the URL of your YouTube here. So you come down here, it says get more out of AdSense. This is they want to be sending you message about information. You can just click yes or no if you don't want any disturbance. So if you have done that, here now you need to change. You select your country and territory. Then I'm doing this from Nigeria, so I select Nigeria. Haven't done that, I'll come down here. You say please review the terms and conditions. You need to read through all this. After doing that, the next thing you want to do is to check the box. Yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Then what you need to do is to create account. You click create account. Okay, so as you can see, the next thing you want to do is it's asking type of account. Is it individual or business? As you know, this is individual, so you just click individual, or you leave it there as the former. Then you name here. My name is already here. The next thing you want to do is to put your address. After inputting your address, say suburb, you add your postal code. If you don't know your postal code, you can actually Google it. You type the name of your area with postal code, and it will bring it out for you. So that is Ajegun. Let's just check it from there. Then I'll add the state. The state is Lagos. The state is Lagos. The phone number is optional. I'll add my phone number. I haven't done that. The next thing I want to do from here is to click submit. So as you can see, redirecting you to YouTube, we are redirecting you to YouTube where you can continue your setup and start using AdSense. The next thing you want to do is to click redirect. So as you can see, it's in progress because this is going to be reviewed. So that means you need to be checking it, or a message will be sent to you to tell you that this has been reviewed. I don't know how many days it's going to take, but according to them here, AdSense account is being created, and the approval and associate process can take up to several days. So I can't say precisely for how long it's going to be, maybe 5, 10, 15 days. So that is that. So I will have to wait until my account has been created. So friends, I later got the message from YouTube, and the message came in less than 24 hours. As you can see, this is the message right here from YouTube, and it reads, you did it, info them. You have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, which means you can now earn money from your content and take advantage of additional benefits like expanded copyright protection tools and access to our creator support. Start earning by turning on monetization feature in your YouTube. We are committed to helping you to grow and thrive on the platform. Check out these tools to help build your community, gain access to more earning opportunity, and feel supported by our team. Your 2 YouTube Partner Program tips, ways to earn YouTube creator. As you can all see now, I've gotten the message in less than 24 hours. So the next thing that I need to do now is to go to my YouTube channel. I'll go to my YouTube channel, then I'll come here and go to your videos. When you click your videos, it will take you directly to your YouTube Creator Studio, where you can actually turn on your monetization button. So it's loading right now. Here we are. As you can see, I got this. Congratulations, welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. As a YouTuber, you can monetize your video, short and live stream. Get supported via chat or mail. Then I'll click let's go. So the next thing I want to do from here is to come to it's a ways to earn. To start making money, you need to turn on at least one of the following monetization options. Watch page, and they say earn from advert and YouTube Premium on the watch page. You can also earn from advert and YouTube Premium in the short feeds. Then you can engage with fans who show support through one-time interactive purchase. These are ways you can earn from YouTube. Earning from ads now. You want here. What I need to do now is to click this one. Watch page ad, earn from ads and YouTube Premium on watch page. So as you can see, earn from adverts, ads and YouTube Premium on watch page. You can earn from ads and show up before, during and after around your video on the wall. You can also earn revenue when a YouTube Premium subscriber watches your content on the watch page. So what I need to do next now is to turn on this button. I say turn on. As you can see, there are review page terms here and condition terms here that you need to see. You can read everything, but these are the terms. You can read all through this. After doing that, you come down here and check this box. After checking this box, then you come to accept and next. You click accept and next. After doing that, you can see review your ads default. These preferences will also be applied to all your future uploads. You can change them at any time at the setting, upload default and monetization. So now they are asking you types of ad overlay. I think what you need to do now is to just come here and click next. After doing that, they are saying monetize your existing video. Which do you want to monetize? See, there are options here. You have specific video that I want to monetize, but for the purpose of this teaching, I will advise you that you say monetize all my existing video by default. Then you go to monetize all. Yes, what is most amazing here, for you to confirm if your video, all your video have been successfully monetized, you go to your channel, you go to content, then you will see that all your videos are having $sign against them. As you can see $sign here. You see $sign on. So that is it. That is how to know that your videos have been completely monetized. So at this point, I want to say congratulations, and I want to enjoin you to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel, because everything that you need to know about money making ideas online will be brought to you in this platform. So till I see you in my next video, I say be good.